What's up, everybody? It's your boy Killer B coming back with another video. Hey man, today man, we're gonna be installing a cooling fan on cone, baby. You know it get hot here in Texas, so we're gonna get this baby installed right here. You know, it's real simple, couple of screws, and I'll show you what's going on down here. So let's get down here. Some of you may have the stock one where it just pops out. So I got the Harley Davidson one right here. The cover right here, so I'm gonna take that out, and what you need, you just got to have an Allen wrench to get that out. So let me remove that, get this off of here, and it has a quick connect on here, so it's gonna be easy to connect, but you have to go to Harley Davidson to get it flashed to your bike. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it installed right now, so I won't get charged for it. But like I say, the stock cover, you just pops it off. So if you have the stock cover on your bike, it'll pop right off. So if you can look up under here, you see it had 4 bolts up under here. I done took the bolts out already, so there go the 4 bolts right here, and the cover just pops off. See that? Like I say, that's the Harley Davidson cover. And then right here on the side here, you have a bolt here. It's I think it's a 2017 hex head right there. Yep, that's what it is. And it just comes off. It's got 2 on, 1 on each side. So that's one of them. Now come over to the other side, and we'll take this one off here. I put a little elbow grease on it. So, like I say, those are 2 bolts with that. It's a 2017 X head, and it just come down. See that? Come down right there. And I think that in the box right here, it comes with with the 2 new hoses already, but I'm not going to use. My hoses are new already on here. So we're just gonna pop this out. I just went to Harley today and purchased this because everybody know how hot it gets in Texas. And I want to get everything done to my bike before the summertime get back around. But like I say, it's just plug and play. This is the fan. Got a nice little weight on it too, so yeah. And here's like the part number and everything. So yeah, so let's get it popped on. And it just actually just pops on. Hold on, this side here is a little wicked. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Like I say, it just snaps on each side. I get it snapped on right here. There we go. Get this side snapped on. There we go. Like I say, It has a dummy plug in here. See, that's the dummy plug that just stuck off in there. So you just take your plug and install it in here. Make sure you get it snapped in good. Get a good connection. You should hear it snap. Okay. And that is it, y'all. So we're gonna get this baby mounted back up. We're gonna put this screw in. Then we'll come to the other side. In the top part, make sure you slide that baby up there in that top part up here. Got a little part right up here that need to be that pops back in. There we go. And that's all to it, pretty much. And like I say, when you get done, you just go to Harley, have them to flash it for you. And I can just stick my Harley-Davidson cover back on. Like I say, it's just 4 bolts to that. Make sure you get that up under there. Yep. And these are just 4 Allen screws right here. I can't remember what size it is. Get your hands a little dirty if you don't mind getting dirty. I don't mind getting dirty, y'all. Okay, there we go. I think I got it right there. That is it, y'all. Just make sure you get your screws back tight so you won't have no rattling going on. And I'll probably take this baby up to Harley tomorrow to have it flash. Not in a rush because it's cold right now and I don't have to have a fan right now. But me, I like to go ahead and get my stuff done so I won't have to worry about it later. That's just how I am. I like to get it going. So like I say, I just got to go take it to Harley, y'all. So man, and I definitely appreciate y'all watching the channel. So if you're in the market, come up here. So yeah, y'all, that is it for the cooling fan. So like I say, I had so many points built up at Harley, y'all. It was crazy. I got this for $60 today. Regular price is like $249, but me, I had Harley points. And plus, they gave away like $20 a day when you walk in the store today for the Black Friday going on. So that was another 20 off. But yep, that is it, y'all, man. Appreciate y'all watching the channel, man. Y'all like, share, and subscribe to your boy channel, man. Man, I appreciate y'all, man. Definitely, man. Y'all have a happy Thanksgiving. And see y'all later, man. Have a blessed one. Peace.